Inflation in 2026 is real, but your financial struggle doesn't have to be. You aren't broke, you just have leaking habits. Here are 5 practical shifts saving me $500 every single month. Habit 1. The subscription audit. Check your bank statement now. The average person pays for 7 subscriptions they don't use, from forgotten AI tools to streaming services. Canceling just 3 can put $60 back in your pocket monthly. That's $720 a year for free. Habit 2. The Wait 48 rule. Online shopping is an impulse trap. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 48 hours. 90% of the time, the urge fades. This single habit prevents hundreds of dollars in wasted spending on gadgets and clothes. Habit 3. The coffee and amp, lunch pivot. Eating out in 2026 is 40% more expensive than it used to be. Bringing your own coffee and lunch just 4 days a week saves you at least $10 a day. That's $300 a month. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Habit 4. Automate your savings. If you wait until the end of the month to save, you'll have zero left. Set an automatic transfer of just $50 a week to a separate account the day you get paid. You won't miss what you don't see, and you'll save $200 a month effortlessly. Habit 5. Cashback and AMP. Rewards. Stop using cash. Use credit or debit cards that offer at least 2% cashback on groceries and gas. It's small, but over a month, it covers a utility bill or 2. Saving money is the first step to building wealth. You can't invest what you don't have. Subscribe to Wealth Blueprint to master your money in 2026. Let's start building today.